I've got some towel racks. I got a 24-inch bar, towel bar, and a fucking and an 18-inch one. Brush nickel. It's going up in the bathroom. I also got a fucking recessed toilet paper holder. You can sit inside that wall right there. There's brush nickel that won't take up quite as much space since it's a small bathroom. And I'm getting ready to go ahead on and continue laying tile today. So I'm gonna come in here and pull all these fucking spacers up out of the floor and continue laying tile all the way over to right there. And this one little spot right here, I can actually come over here in this one spot and grout up to that one point today. So that's where we're at today. And they're out there getting it with a string line, leveling off that fucking, the fall on that driveway. So that's going on. Yesterday they took some bushes from outside and relocated them into the front planter. Because there's too much shit going on in the front yard. It looks too busy. It's not clean looking. So that's where we're at today. On day 39 of our house renovation. The beginning of day 39. We're now at the end of day 39 of our house renovation. Where I just got done with this goddamn... What the hell is that shit? I just got done with this clusterfuck in here in the kitchen and shit. But anyway, it's all fucking done. All the tiles are fucking laid down. Fucking come back tomorrow morning and pull the spacers up in this one little spot. And I'll fucking fill this shit full of some grout. Some DeLorean gray grout. And that damn kitchen floor will be done. Except for I'm going to put some quarter round in there and paint it white. That's what it looks like. That's right. So that's what our kitchen looks like. And you still gotta get the microwave and put it up there. Switch the fucking back door, get rid of that motherfucker. Get a couple more handles and shit for the cabinets and stuff like that. Right the floor, put some quarter round down. And then that will be done. And then fucking in the bathroom, we put up the fucking toilet paper rack holder thing for fucking some shit paper. And we picked the one that sits inside the wall to fucking give you more space, like leg room for your shitting. Towel rack right there, towel rack right there. So I'm gonna do that shit for a dude named Dave, for window liquor dude. He's been fucking asking about this shit. Dual flush. Ain't no turds in the motherfucker, but we're gonna fucking push both buttons, see what happens. There it is. 2 buttons. 1 button, the shit button, the piss button, and the double motherfucker. So it flushes a little harder when you do that. Alright. So in the front yard, decided to go ahead on and fucking get rid of that mulch bed right there and fucking put some damn grass, because you don't put mulch up against the fucking planter. He dug up all these fucking flowers and bushes that were scattered all around the yard randomly and put them back inside that planter right there. And we're going to plant some grass in these bare spots. It fucking opens the yard up and it makes it not so busy. Makes it look nice and clean and fresh curb appeal. That's that trash dumpster that we're going to fucking get rid of. So that bitch is full. We got no more room in that motherfucker. And go out here and look. Earth fucking cleaned up the back of the fucking fence back there and found the gate that you couldn't see. It's sitting in the back there, in the back corner. All this shit's all cleaned up now. We get that trash dumpster out of here so we can get that concrete. All these fucking forms and everything are fucking all done for the driveway. And concrete saw and fucking cut all that shit off. cut all that shit out right there. So all I gotta do now is just fucking pull the fucking trash dump so we get that gone out of here. Get his fucking string line on that motherfucker, got his fall. Got all the fucking stobs and every fucking thing ready to go. So we're ready now to fucking go get a fucking load of concrete in here. Then we'll have a new driveway. Still gonna go tomorrow morning and pick up a couple of doors and fucking get rid of that shit. And back here, dude fucking cleaned all that shit up back there. And look what's back there. A gate. Couldn't even see the motherfucker. Dude tried to ban the pine tree and chop all the bark off around it and kill it so he could fucking get the landlord to fucking replace, to cut the tree down. They fucking didn't even phase the damn tree. He wanted this shit gone so he could get some sun in there and get rid of the acidity in the soil so he could plant a garden over there. So I see where he chopped the bottom of the pine tree all around. That fucking didn't do shit. It's still alive. So if you like this video, subscribe to Get Go TV. Hit the like button. Hit the little notification bell. If you got any questions, leave a question in the comment section. Or leave me a question at peninsulaimp@gmail.com, which is in the channel description. It's time for us to hit the fucking trail. You got anything to say, Ursh?
Oh, Superman.
He's fucking Superman. They keep fucking with this dude. They fucking, I don't even know. But anyway, he said he likes this time of the day when he sees the camera come out, he knows it's time to leave. So, all right, so we had to, it's what time is it?
Natty Daddy time.
It's Natty Daddy time. Hell yeah. All right, so we're at the end of day 39. Subscribe to Get Go TV. And stay tuned for tomorrow, day 40. That's Friday. We get done, we get out of here for the whole weekend. I say, fuck this motherfucker. Y'all have a good day. And we are out.